Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install NordVPN on your Amazon Firestick device. So this is very simple and easy video for every Firestick user. Make sure to stay with me till the end that you don't miss anything. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to press remote home button for 3 seconds. And here as you can see settings option, then click on. Now find here my FireTV option. Once you have find my FireTV option, then click on. Now click on developer option. Scroll down apps from unknown source and press remote select button. When you press remote select button, a message will appear on your screen. So select turn on. And here as you can see apps from unknown source has been enabled. Now go back to home screen by pressing remote home button. Now here what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type here NordVPN. Once you have typed Nord, the suggestion below, search NordVPN. And here as you can see black blue NordVPN app, click on. Now click on download button by pressing remote select button. So the NordVPN has been downloaded on our Amazon Firestick device. Now go back to home screen by pressing remote home button. And here again press remote home button for 3 seconds. Click on apps. And here as you can see all installed application on Amazon Firestick device. So click on NordVPN. So if you have NordVPN account, then click on login button, and if you don't have your NordVPN account, then click on sign up and create a NordVPN account. So you can use this method to download NordVPN on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And I hope this video is real for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.